It's not the sweetest thing in the world. Little bunny tuckered out on the couch, and he's snoring.
Oh. You drew. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Look how peaceful he looks. He's like an angel.
Like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Sweet boy.
And then he likes to visit at 3 in the morning.